Hello, children. I welcome you all to this English class. Today's session, we are going to learn from Unit 3 Supplementary Reader. The title is The First Flight and it was written by C.V. Burgess. Before we get into the story, we'll see about the author. Christopher Victor Burgess is known as C.V. Burgess. He is a humorous playwright. His situational humor intensifies the emotions of the characters in the play. His plays usually accommodate a number of characters. His famous works are Short Plays for Large Classes, Teach Yourself Speech Training, and Classroom Playhouse Verse in Action. Let's see the characters. The characters are men 1 to 8, women 1 to 8, nurse, dentist, a little girl, and a small boy. Let's get into the story. This is a short play, and this play brings out humor in a dentist clinic. The unexpected incidents create emotion in the readers, and finally, it leads to humor. All are waiting for the dentist's arrival. Woman 5 spends her time by showing her photographs to others who are actually not that much of interested to see them. After a few minutes, the nurse enters into the clinic. Okay, who were waiting for the dentist? Yes, the patients were waiting for the dentist. Okay, so how did the woman 5 spend her time in the waiting hall? Yes, woman 5 had a bunch of photographs of us which she had taken during her holidays. So, what she did? She spent her time by showing the photographs to others, isn't it? Yes. Okay. How did the other woman react to woman 5? Yes, the other woman did not show much interest to see her photographs, isn't it? Yes. By the time a little girl, Dorothea, shows her unwillingness to see the dentist, but her mother tries to rule over her. Then the dentist comes and calls the first patient. The first patient is Joe. He enters the surgery and his wife waits outside. Others are talking about the efficiency of the dentist. At the time, woman 8 enters with a boy. He shows his courage in facing the dentist. After few minutes, the nurse comes out of the surgery and she re-enters with a large hammer. Now, the people outside have their own imagination about the use of the hammer inside the surgery. Joe's wife prays that it should not be used on Joe. Now, the sound of hammering is heard, and Joe's wife is frightened that it is being used on him. Others are trying to pacify her and saying that the dentist knows what to do. Again, the nurse comes out of the surgery and again she re enters with a pair of pliers. Now, Joe's wife feels that Joe is suffering with pain from the use of all these implements. She starts weeping and others are calming her. Now a metallic screech is heard and again Joe's wife is agitated. Okay, what were the strange instruments the nurse carried to the surgery? Yes, you're correct. The nurse carried a hammer, a pair of pliers, and a hacksaw, isn't it? Okay. How did the waiting patients interrupt her act? Yes, the waiting patients interrupted that the dentist was using those instruments on the patient Joe, isn't it? Yes. In the meantime, two little children are fighting for a magazine and their mothers are pulling them back. Again, the metallic screech is heard, and the boy is afraid to go to the surgery. He says he has no pain and he was only joking. So, his mother decides to take him to school and she leaves with the boy. Again, the hammering is heard and the nurse comes out of the surgery. The doctor shouts to the nurse from the surgery to hurry, otherwise, they cannot get this thing shifted. All the people start going away one by one. Okay, why do patients leave the clinic without meeting the dentist? Yes, the patients were listening to the hammering and screeching noise from the surgery. So that is the first reason, right? So they felt scared, and not only that, the patients lost their patience and they left the clinic one by one, isn't it? Yes. Joe's wife is sobbing. Then Joe comes out of the surgery and asks his wife why she is crying. He says nothing has happened to him and he has taken one more appointment from the dentist for this evening. Then he explains that the noise is because of the dentist trial to open his toolbox. He has misplaced the key. Okay, why was woman one panic more than the others? Yes, woman one was more panicked than the others because she was the wife of Joe and who was inside the surgery, right? So she thought her husband was in great pain, isn't it? Yes. After few minutes, the dentist comes inside with the key and saying that it was under the telephone directory. Now only woman 5, who has been busy showing her photographs to others, is the patient waiting. She wonders how the long queue has moved so quickly. Why, because she was not aware of what was happening around her and she was only interested in showing her pictures and photographs to others. Finally, she goes inside the surgery with the nurse. The dentist has lost the key to his tool cabinet, so he uses the hammer, pliers, and a hacksaw to open his tools cabinet. But everyone imagines that he is using these tools to pull out the teeth. This brought the humor to the readers. Let's see few hard words and its meaning from the story. Groaning, crying in pain, dreadful, extremely bad. Ice lollies, flavored ice or ice cream on a stick. Weenie tug, small pull. Gas, anesthesia. Scream, a very funny thing. Ferrying, carrying. Queer, strange. Writhing, twisting the body from side to side. Agony, severe pain. Sulking, being sad and silent. Blurred, hazy or not clear. Now we'll see few key points for better understanding. 8 men and 8 women with a couple of children waited for a dentist. After the arrival of dentist, the first patient named Joe entered the surgery room. The nurse came out often carrying hammer, pliers and some other instruments. Sounds of hammering were heard from inside the surgery. Outside, the patients were scared. They became panic. The children wanted to go to school by confessing that they lied. One by one, the patients left the clinic. Finally, there were woman 1 and woman 4. At last, Joe, the first patient, came out and revealed out the truth. Actually, the dentist lost the key of his tools cabinet. The sounds were none but the efforts to open the cabinet. Okay, children, up to this, the story gets over. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can ping me to clarify all your doubts and do all the given assignments. Thank you.